In this episode, I will share with you the best 2 hacks for PPC that generate me a lot of money with a little money to spend. So let's do it, guys. Hello everyone, I hope you guys are having an awesome and wonderful day. Thank you so much for tuning in. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my best 2 PPC hacks that I use that really generate a lot of money for me with a little money to spend. It's actually a method that I have been doing for a long time. It's called the Low Bid Strategy method. I'm going to share with you how to do it and also some proof that you really can see that really works and really makes a lot of money for you. Now you need to make sure, I just want to put a little bit of disclaimer, is that this method is not gonna make you rich. It's just a very good complementary to your PPC strategy to make you good amount of money that really gonna accumulate for the end of the year to really make a significant amount of money with a little bit to spend. So that's been said, let's go ahead and let's talk about it. So the first one, guys, is going to be running a automatic campaign. I know, nobody likes automatic campaign, but in this, just hear me out. In this strategy, really is gonna work and really gonna help you a lot. What I want you to do, guys, I want you, if for people who have 1 product, have 10 products, 12 products, whatever they have, run automatic campaign. Run automatic campaign with very low bid. For example, 7 cents, 6 cents per bid as a default bid, and a whole budget of $5. That's all what you need to do, and run it on all the products that you have in your arsenal. Everything, RA, OA, a private label, whatever you guys doing, just have them all in one. And that's going to, you can call it a low bid automatic campaign or exposure campaign. What does that do is basically it's gonna force the algorithm to scrape all your listings to find the most related keyword to your product, and they will work for you to find you keywords or showing you up for keywords that you never thought it was related, but really is going to make you money. That's really is going to, that nobody else is bidding on, and that's a really good strategy. And I've been using it for a long time and really generate a lot of good amount of money. I'm going to share with you also. The ACoS is very low, the spend is very low, and generating the money, it's really good. So let me recap that. Automatic campaign, a daily budget of $5, and make sure that you have, you need to experiment with that from 5 cents to 7 cents, 8 cents, okay? And add all the products that you have in your arsenal in that specific campaign, and you will see the results really gonna accumulate. It's gonna really make you a good amount of money. The second strategy, which is I'm gonna have a live demo for you guys, how to do it. For those who didn't watch my last video about how to create the perfect title, that's gonna help now, it's gonna come handy, and we're gonna use it for our PPC strategy. Please go ahead and watch it. It's really good one. It's a very unique hack. It's for free. It's a free tools that you can use to create a really perfect title. So it really is gonna become very handy now. It's almost the same kind of strategy, but I'm going to add a little bit to it. So before we jump into the second strategy, I just want to share with you the results that I got from that specific automatic campaign. So guys, look at that. So here I put product number 1. I put all the products in the same campaign. I just changed it to make sure, not to get hacked. Okay. Actually, my first account get hacked. I was in a group and I showed them. I thought I'm like, I'm King Kong, and I thought, oh my god, I'm gonna share. I never care, and actually really get hacked, and everyone just start copying what I have. So I now a little bit overprotective, but guys, hey, I'm sharing with you this is it. So this, as you see here, it's a campaign. I run it over time. Look, I spent only 547. I had 207 clicks and make 7,800 at very low ACoS. I've been running it from the beginning of the time when I was doing a lot of retail arbitrage, online arbitrage. This account, it's not for private label, only for retail arbitrage. So I was using it when I really started, and that's the amount what I spent just to be able to generate almost 7,900 out of only 547 cents. Really good method for those who does a lot of retail online arbitrage, and also private label. You can put them all in the same. But if you have separate, you can have separate campaigns. I have one for private label, one for retail, online arbitrage, and wholesale. So now let's get to the meat. Now guys, as actually I wasn't sharing, so let me see. Oh my god. All right guys, so let me show you the proof again once more. It's a campaign I was running. Just give me a second. All right, perfect. All right guys, so this is the results that I found. If you see guys here, I named the campaign as whatever it is, and you see the results now. 547, and I generate almost 7,900 out of it with very low ACOS of 6.9, almost 7% ACOS, which is really good. That's money I didn't have, and the sales I wouldn't have if I didn't run that campaign. So now let's go to the next strategy I was telling you guys about. So guys, this is our results again. If you see it here, I just named whatever it is. It's an automatic campaign with a $5 daily, and over time you'll see it'll generate like almost 7,900 at almost 7% ACOS. That's sales I didn't have, which is really nice to have, especially at the end of the year. It really accumulates for very low bid. That a lot of people are not using this strategy, so use it. Really helpful. All right, so now let's get to the meat. All right guys, so this is the strategy I was talking about. This is the same example that I had in my perfect title, is charcoal air purifying bag. And in this one, we're gonna do the same, almost the same thing. But what I'm gonna do in this one is basically I'm going to do a low bid campaign, but I'm gonna use, instead of using automatic campaign, I'm gonna use a manual broad campaign. Now, how to use it, where to get the keywords, and that's where we're gonna get to it. Now, all the people that you saw me in the last previous video, I took all the titles and I made the perfect title for our listing. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the same strategy, but this time instead of copying the whole 9 yards, I'm just gonna take the best two, like for example, the best two sellers, and I'm gonna use all the keywords that they have. So what I did is basically I'm gonna copy the titles as usual, but now the next step that you need to bring it to the next level, and which is basically gonna copy the whole bullet points. As we know, the title is the most indexed. That's why I have only a video for it. Now the second most important part of your listing, it's your bullet points. So all the main keywords has to be in your bullet points, guys. Do not tell me no, I don't know what's up. No, just do it. Trust me. Okay, you're gonna take it all. You're gonna have them copy. You're gonna come to your doc. You know what? I'm gonna make a new one just for my people. I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna boom, then I'm gonna go back again to listing. Let's not forget to take the title, mommy. Okay, take it all, and I'm going anywhere you put it, I don't care. I'll put it here, boom. Now I'm gonna go again. Some of you says what kind of word skills I have not much, but I do best with whatever I have. The next one, come on man, why being slow? Okay, all right, let's go back. Let's get this one now. We did it correctly this time. Now I'm gonna take my lovely title, copy, come here, take it, and now do the same thing for my whole bullet points. Now the magic begins. So now since I have those, see I have a lot of words, the most important keywords in the whole niche for that specific product. So you do that for the same thing for your product. You go to your competitors, take the best keywords, or also include your listing if you can. Okay, because you're a champion, you already did your listing very well. So go ahead and take that as well. And you're gonna come to character counter. You're gonna copy everything here, and you're gonna come here and you're gonna put input. Now we have 5,200 characters, 4,000 I don't know what, and 16 digits. I don't know what does that mean, but all what I care about is word counter. I come to the word counter, and now I come to the bottom, and look what happened here, guys. I have all the main keywords for my product individually, like air, charcoal, bag, odor, hour, activated, bags, bamboo, whatever. Okay, so I'm gonna take all these keywords, all of them, you see, all of them. This is also a density keyword tool. You're gonna take all of them. The only thing you're not gonna include, for example, whatever they call them, those punctuation, whatever it is they call them. Any, for example, is and stuff like that. Hour. You're gonna take all these words and you're gonna create a manual broad campaign, and you're gonna call it a low bid manual broad campaign, whatever you want to call it. Make a budget again of $5, or $5 is enough, and then also put a default bid of 5 cents to 7 cents, and you can increase it slowly depending on the niche, how the market is saturated or not. Or if there's a lot of competition, you might need also to higher it up. Like one of my supplement, I couldn't do 6-7 cents, was really low. So what I had to do, I had to increase it to 9 cents, 10 cents. But results are really good, and I started and really working very well now. So you take them all, you put them as manual broad, and you just target, and that's it. Now the results are crazy, guys. Are really very beautiful. I just started this campaign, not this one, this is the previous one. Boom, bada boom, here. All right, ladies and gentlemen, look at that. I have a low bid campaign, okay? I call low bid single keywords, so you can do it whatever you want. I just started 12th of April. I put $20. I'm not gonna spend $20. You guys do $5 if you want. I'm just used to high budgets. I do 400, 500 budgets for my campaigns and stuff like that. But look, I spent $3. I made three sales, and I generated 159 at 2%. This is really cool, and I think you should really do it. And I'm telling you now, guys, let me go back to myself. I'm not trying to hype it for you. This is a very good strategy, but it's not going to stop your real PPC strategy. Just this extra. It's the cherry on top of the ice cream, okay? So use this one in conjunction with your other strategy, and you trust me, you will get more sales at a very low cost sales that you didn't even have. So I hope that was really, guys, cool. I hope you really, guys, enjoyed it. I hope you implemented. Most importantly, do not just watch it and tell me, oh, I'll do it whenever I get the chance. If you're doing it right now, have my screen, have my face on one side, you know, and see my goatee, and on the other one, you go ahead and do them one by one. And trust me, you will be very happy. If you like it, please subscribe, join the YouTube channel, join our Facebook group, and I really appreciate your support. And thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everybody.